Hey there, and welcome from Woodlandia. In this video, we're giving you a quick look at our round Master-360 system. It's specially designed for the log home industry. The system comes with a log crosscut saw, a log notcher, and a set of roller tables. The round master workflow starts with the crosscut saw. First, you trim the log to the required length, creating a clean, straight-cut surface. This surface becomes the reference point for the notching steps that follow. The crosscut saw can handle logs up to 14 inches, or 360 millimeters in diameter. An automated blade feeder and a built-in laser pointer come standard with the machine, helping ensure precision and ease of operation. A typical crosscut takes about 30 to 60 seconds per log. Next, the operator moves over to the notcher and sets the first stopper. This stopper controls the distance from the end of the log to the center of the first notch. Once that's set, the operator positions the log and secures it, using the adjustable manual log clamps. With hands safely out of the way, the notcher is ready to start milling. Milling the notch usually takes about a minute. The speed depends on the log's diameter, the type of wood, and how sharp the cutters are. Once the notching head returns to its home or parking position, the operator can disengage the first stopper and set the next one at the proper distance. This allows the second notch to be milled accurately, again, using the trimmed end of the log as a reference point. One of the key features of the round master notcher is its ability to mill angled notches. The operator can quickly adjust the notching head to either a 45 or 60-degree angle, perfect for building hexagon or octagon log structures. This flexibility makes the system ideal for more complex designs and custom builds. The machine can cut angled notches in logs ranging from 6 to 14 inches, or 150 to 360 millimeters in diameter. As you may have noticed, manual waste removal is needed to keep the work area clean and safe. The system is also built tough. It can operate outdoors under a roof, protected from direct exposure to the elements. Round Master performs reliably in temperatures from -10 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, or -25 degrees to +40 degrees Celsius. The log crosscut saw is powered by a 5.5 kilowatt electric motor. It uses a heavy-duty 900 mm saw blade, designed for clean, efficient cuts. The notching motor delivers 5.5 kilowatts of power, giving you reliable performance for heavy-duty milling. The system comes complete with cutter heads and 2 full sets of knives, ready to handle all supported log diameters. It runs on 3-phase power, either 460 volts at 60 Hz, or 380 volts at 50 Hz depending on your area. Best of all, the entire round master system is designed to be operated by just one person, making it efficient and cost-effective. If you're in the log home business, we invite you to consider Woodlandia Machinery. We offer professional-grade systems for both small operations and large-scale production. You'll find our contact information right here, or just click the link in the description to fill out our information request form. We'd be happy to help you find the right solution for your log home business. Thanks for watching.